Jai Shri Krishna-Balaram. This town of Dauji in Vrindavan is a little bit further out than Gokul and is named after the deity Dauji, which is the predominant deity here. The deity's worship was established by Vajranab, the great-grandson of Krishna, once Krishna had departed. Vajranab very kindly actually established many deities to appease the feelings of separation of the Brajavasis. Dauji means the older brother of Krishna. And the worship of Balaram is actually very prominent in Sri Vrindavan Dham. His Holiness Indradumna Swami Maharaj tells us that we generally think of going to the temples of Radha and Krishna. But the worship of Krishna-Balaram is also very prominent, as we know in ISKCON, because when our beloved Srila Prabhupada established his temple here in Vrindavan in the 70s, it was named the Krishna-Balaram Mandir. In the town of Dauji, the villagers say, Dauji ke bhaiya, Krishna Kanhaiya. This means Dauji's brother is Krishna, who always plays the flute. The town of Dauji has a very simple, rural atmosphere. There's not much commerce. The town is made up of villagers and farmers who come every morning to see Dauji, and then in the evening they come back to see Dauji before going home to rest. Srila Prabhupada has told us that essentially there's no difference between Krishna and Balaram. They're both the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The only difference is that Balaram's complexion is like a newly formed spring cloud and Krishna is darkish like a monsoon cloud. But because Balaram is the first expansion of Krishna, our acharyas say he's subservient to Krishna and he plays two roles in his relationship to Krishna here in Vrindavan. Number one, he is the older brother. He is in the mood of protecting Krishna because many demons are coming here to Vrindavan to kill Krishna. And secondly, he considered himself the servant of Krishna. And in that mood of service, he expands himself as the dham, paraphernalia, and ornaments to serve Krishna. Just by remembering the pastimes of Krishna and Balaram, we awaken our deeper love for Krishna and Balaram and for Radha Shyam. Dauji ke bhaiya, Krishna Kanhaiya, Hare Krishna.